So in spirit of Christmas, to get some Christmas joy, someone's got spirit of the Christmas joy. What do? You decorate a tree. So today that's what we're doing.
No, Jay, we're taking a long day. I think we're gonna wrap it ourselves.
Nah.
Nah, it goes better, right?
This is the most efficient way possible.
I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah, okay, I'm happy we're on the same page here.
Cameraman Bonnie, everyone.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm stupid. Hi, I'm stupid. Hi, I'm stupid.
After 2 failed drifts, I think Joe don't got it like that.
Hi, I'm stupid.
Oh my god, bro, get in there and show this guy how to drive.
I'll do it. Joe wanted a redemption. You're good. So, we finally ruined the street in front of someone else's house.
And if anybody fucking doesn't like this video, go fuck yourself.
Go frick yourself.
Go frick yourself,
Yo,
man.
freak yourself, man. You don't want to mess with us, man. We're scary dudes.
Yeah, we do burnouts in front of cement trucks, brother.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
The trees in the middle, holding lights and shit.
Hanging out the window.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
In the cold.
Yeah, let them know.
Efficient.
Below zero.
Below zero, probably not.
Wet roads.
Wet roads.
Efficient.
Efficient.
Ice on the floor. Ice on the
Efficient.
floor. By cement truck.
By cement trucks.
Not worried about the 9.
Not worried. Yeah, so we did it.
I can't stop thinking about how you just left my.
About how you love sucking toes.
lens.
About how you love sucking toes.
Sucking
With
toes.
no
Bonnie the
cap
cameraman
on.
loves sucking toes.
I
Sucker
suck
up
toes.
This guy sucks
In the
toes.
cold.
This guy
In the
sucks.
spring. In the summer. I suck sweaty toes.
Wait.
Whoa. What?
I hope not. I hope not.
Stinky toes.
I hope not.
I suck. You like French tip toes. That's what I really suck. Straight out the salon toes.
You know what's gonna be really funny when he tells me to take this out. And I don't.
Yeah.
And I don't take this out.
The fact that you guys are all saying not to do it, odds are you're gonna do it.
Odds are I'm gonna do it.
Do it tomorrow, a little bit earlier. You'll be chilling, bro.
Maybe
You'll be
like
chilling.
5 o'clock so you don't blow up your neighborhood would be nice.
Too fucking loud.
No such thing.
Bro, it's not funny. You're not doing it. You're not sitting here revving this at night.
You said it's not gonna break.
It's too.
It's almost 9 o'clock.
So we don't have any earmuffs for the two-step.
What? I can't hear you.
So my cameraman shoved toilet paper in
What?
his ear.
Bro, what are you even saying right now, dude?
Well, as most of you know, we got a two-step. As you can imagine, the neighbor definitely complained.
To discuss with you the sound, the loud, explosive sound coming from your garage. It shakes the walls of my building, and I'm afraid my glass might break. Very loud, and it shakes the whole house.
One of her main talking points was that she was worried the glass in her house might break. So today, we're gonna see what glass would break of hers, if any. Some candy canes, a bowl, and maybe she got some soda. Maybe that'll blow up. I don't know. Shit, I don't care. I'm just doing this. I want to blow shit up. What do you got under there?
Nothing.
Oh, you just wanted some music.
Yeah.
You're not scared of the ear bleeding noise that's about to happen.
I don't know what you're talking about.
For Christmas, the only thing that you would want is a nice roasted marshmallow. But we don't have a fireplace. So we have the next best thing. We have a nice little two-step. Would you like your marshmallows burnt or warm?
I think I would like you to burn the fuck out of my marshmallows.
They will be burnt.
I like.
That's definitely roasted.
I don't think you could have roasted it any better. Do I have eardrums? Do I have eardrums? No.
Do you guys think that this is gonna affect my baby's health?
She was concerned about her glass breaking. It broke? No?
Broke. Yep.
Yes! Yeah, oh wait, no, it's bad for the neighbor. Oh,
Shattered.
she was right. Gee, that means she was right. Oh shit. But am I really gonna be that close to her house? Joe doubted me. I said, it's gonna break. He said no. How sick was that?
How do you feel about tonight?
I feel like I'm gonna sue Vigilante Garage for my hearing in about 9 years.
Maybe she mistaken glass for ceramic. So we got 2 ceramic plates set up. And
Shattered.
that was a big one.
That destroyed that.
Oh, it broke! It broke! That's definitely for us.
That's
right?
for us. Gunshots.
Don't look at it.
If we don't look at it, then we're not doing anything illegal to be worried about them in the air. Tell her stop looking.
Kelby, are you
Can't see
Yes! It landed!
Wait, what the fuck? It didn't break?
What? Those plates broke!
Holy
Yes!
shit!
Yes! How the fuck did this not break? I know why it wasn't planted down, so it just shot back.
I know.
Now that's breaking. Let's do 2 bowls. We got a fish bowl, and we got a cereal bowl.
I think the fish hole broke.
Oh, the fish bowl broke! If we put that on the fish bowl, it's high enough. Now that won't break.
Nope.
Too low.
It broke.
Oh!
Should I see what it could do to this?
Yeah.
Holy shit!
No, I'm probably. Look how far that went.
Hole in it.
The destruction is incredible. Yo, you gotta see it happen in real life. Roof off? It's literally, it's fucking that temperature outside. Joey, what are you doing over here? Where's your roof go?
Is there a roof off
Where did
season?
your roof go?
I don't answer questions.
It's 25 degrees outside.
I don't answer questions.
Why is your roof
I don't
off?
answer.
Was it not flaming?
A little bit,
Really?
but not like not like I've seen it for sure.
My exhaust. Who's not shooting flames, Joey?
You got it.
Alright. I'll blow this mug up, then we'll call it a day. Holy shit!
Who the fuck is that? I don't know, somebody slow down.
Yeah, that was someone that just heard a bomb go off. Oh, we were sitting there thinking to ourselves, maybe she was talking about Joe's car. So obviously we gotta test it out with Joe's car too.
Should I hold it?
Yeah, hold it. Oh shit! Oh my god!
Shit! We didn't think it was gonna bring anything! Give me more shit!
Oh my god! Shove the face in the exhaust. charm.
Third time's a charm.
This is the real test. That's breaking.
That's right. Good shot. Good shot.
Wait,
No! Was that the last plate?
how have the cops still not come? This is impressive.
Ready? What a fail. What a fucking epic fail.
Holy shit!
My earring.
Why was that one so loud? Oh my god!
Well, that concludes Miata and Corvette blowing shit up.
Joe's two-step isn't fully tuned yet.
Yeah.
That's why we're kind of just using the burble tune for his car. I think it's safe to say she was right.
I think so. We should apologize.
I just want to apologize!
Absolutely fucking nobody! The champ gets what he wants!